Dr. Chan, recalculate the new thruster data and relay it to Blue Oyster called immediately instantia.
Okay, roger that, Doctor. Fuck!
What's wrong?
Seriously? Auto-updating now? General, I won't be able to calculate the right data for the satellite for 49 minutes.
How long till impact?
11 minutes and 44 seconds.
Fuck Microsoft!
Okay.
Fuck!
Hey everybody, welcome to Studio 64. My name's David. I've been searching the interzones for more science, space and tech news to share with you. Came across this at NeoWin. Yes. Microsoft quietly installing KB5001716 Windows 11 10 update for the good of your PC. Sure. Yeah. Now, towards the end of last month, Microsoft released its non-security Windows preview updates, C release, for Windows 11 and Windows 10 under KB5040527 and KB5040525 respectively. However, a few days later, the company also quietly released one for Windows 11 version 24H2 and 2024 update, as well as under KB5040529 for Copilot PCs. Interesting. Today, NeoWin noticed that Microsoft is also pushing another update to both Windows 10 and 11 systems under KB5001716. This update is different from the ones we mentioned above, as it upgrades the Windows Update service components. Now, it's meant to essentially trigger Windows to automatically download and install a newer 11 or 10 feature update in case your current OS version is approaching the end of its servicing life. Or servicing status, sorry. Yeah, that is a subtle hint for Windows 10 users to go and buy a new computer if you cannot run Windows 11. Yeah, about as subtle as a hand grenade. Summary. This update includes a newer user interface functionality for Windows Update in Windows. This article applies to the following: Windows 11 version 21H2, 10 versions 22H2, 21H2, 21H1, 20H2 and 2004. Notes about the update. Now, when this update is installed, Windows may attempt to download and install feature updates to your device if it is approaching or has reached the end of support for your currently installed Windows version. Feature updates offer new functionality and help keep your device secure. Now, after the update is installed, Windows may periodically display a notification informing you of problems that may prevent Windows Update from keeping your device up to date and protected against current threats. Now, for example, you may see a notification informing you that your device has currently run a version of Windows that has reached its end of support life cycle, or that your device does not meet minimum hardware requirements for the currently installed version of Windows. Interesting. Yes, known issues in this update. We are currently not aware of issues that affect this update. We'll definitely keep an eye on it. Because, yeah, that to me is the start of, look out Windows 10 users, it may be October of next year, but Microsoft saying go and buy a new PC now. Yeah, interesting, isn't it? Love to hear your thoughts on this down the comments below. Very, very interesting indeed. All right, well, my name is David. Thanks for joining me for another Studio 64 Science, Space and Tech News update. I shall see you in the next one. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, subscribe. Greatly appreciate it. And if you're up for it, drop a comment down below the video. Love to hear what you think. All right, take care. And as I always say, if you can't be good at it. And as I also always say, do a bit of reading up on Linux, please. And as I also always say,
fascinating, but quite impossible.